Hey, good morning. Got something. Got my 33 amperes in here, China ones. But when I open the box, I can't wait to pop the power supply open. When I open the box, I seen that it had this metal bracket on it, aluminum bracket, steel metal. And I'm like, oh shit, what's going on here? Let's keep them from getting damaged. Straight as can be. Now I'm seeing a totally different design in here too. And they're on a 400 board, 33.3 amps. So they're not built the same as the last 33s I got. Now if I order some more 33s, and they might not be like this inside. I can't wait to see inside. I haven't even looked. But I can't wait to see. Yeah, same thing. The only thing is they relocated the fan. Looks like a lot less stuff in here. Now back to variable volting them, or volting them up. Now I got to run it down and find a resistor to do it. That's the LED resistor. This is exactly the same. This is exactly the same, but it's less populated in here now. This really sucks. I can't put 25 volt caps in them now. That sucks. Only 2200 UF, but I got a bunch of these 3300s, 16 volts that I've taken out. They have relocated this. The board's different. Hell, I wish I had a 30. Oh, I got a 30 amp here, which looked identical to the 33s, but let me pop this 30 amp open. Now the 33s looked exactly like this 30 amp. I really didn't see any difference in them, but yeah, so at least they're putting them in, keeping them from getting bent up. So this is what has changed. Big difference. Even in population. Look. Look at how much less populated it is. This has been moved to here. And this says YSD 12400, so they're on a 400 board also. But you can see a lot of things have changed in here. Just the back population here. Now that could just be because instead of everything being horizontal, they stacked the resistors vertical. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 diodes, and I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. Yeah, there's a lot less in here. They have, and the switch is on top now. I kind of like that. I don't know if these things are going to be quiet or not. But this board says YSD 8400. And it's a total different design board than this, of course. Now, you see where this one has jumpers right here, which are metal jumpers. This one don't have it. It does have them here, but less, but heavier duty. Yeah. Let's see if they got a lot of noise or not. I'm curious. I am not liking this right here. No way I can change that to 25 volt caps. Cord here. I hope it's quiet. Because it's a lot less populated. I hope it's a lot less quiet. I hope it's still quiet. If they aren't still quiet on the receive, then I'm just going to have to let me put this cover on and put the one that came off. Yeah, they're the same cover, so it doesn't matter which cover you got, but this one here is facing this way, so, and it doesn't have the I'm not going to put any bolts in. I'm just going to slide it on there. Ah, damn, I hate when I do that. There we go. Alright. Are we on 110? We're on 220. I think we're on 110. Let's see. Yeah, 110 this way. Alright. So that has changed. No, it ain't. This was only stamped 110 volt. This was actually stamped 110. Although they're basically the same builds, they got the same transistors. You remember when these things used to have big heat sinks and stuff on them? Hell, even the 40s look like this now, just a little bigger transformer and only one ferrite there. It's running. Fan runs right away. I don't mind that at all. I think that's a better thing. Alright, here's my receive. Oh yeah, they're still quiet. That's me touching it with my finger. But a little bit of noise right there. Let you get away from that. Turn my volume up a little bit more, just so you can hear it. I'm not going to touch the metal part anywhere. If I touch the metal part just a little louder. Alright, that's no, this is totally away. There we go. See what the volts are. What they go up to. They probably only gonna go up to about 14.2 or something. I don't know how I'm gonna make them go. I have to run it down and see which resistor now. I don't know why they always change. Change. Nothing ever remains the same. Let's see, I'm just touching the positive here. I've got my radio volume really up high. Let's see what we got here. Oh, see how it changes the volts. Oh, they go to 15.26. Sweet. Let's see what they are at 15. That's why I've been having trouble variabling these things. It's because at different volts it's been 14.98. But they go to 15. These only go to like 14 something. So that's good. I like that. I know a lot of people don't like this, but oh well. Pretty damn quiet at 14 at 15 volts. Yeah. Cool. Cool. Well, I don't need to go any more than 15 anyway. But variable volting these is out of the question now. So variable volting these isn't. Now I know I've tried to variable volt 5 of the 40 amps. Oh my God, what noise. And the 40 amps look just like that. Like I said. But anyway, alright, I just couldn't wait to take a look inside. I'm very pleased that they go over 15 volts, so I don't have to modify them like I do these. So that's great. I don't have to worry about it. They seem to be pretty good little supplies, though. I've been using these in like the 4 pills, 1x4s, without any problems, even variabling them. But these I can put the 25 volt caps in. These I can't. Alright, but they go to 15 volts, so I can still variable volt them, but make sure I turn the variable back all the way, and then just turn them up to like where they won't even go to 16 volts, because that's all the caps rated at. And these have 2200s in them also. So I mean, all in all, still quiet. Built differently, looks a lot less populated, and alright, here we are. The 33s used to be on this board, and they looked identical. Oh, see here? No more. It's not one of those there either. I see these two diodes have been moved over here, it looks like. Well, that's where two diodes are, whether they were moved over there or not. Turn my radio back down. Yeah, so I guess I'm pleased with it. I don't have to modify them to go 15 volts. They just go 15 volts, so the board has changed. That's about it. Looks like the transformer size has not changed. Looks like they're both 30. Looks like these two are identical. This looks like it's a little better built. Because you can see the fuse holder is down flush. This relay is down flush compared to this relay, which is sticking all up. What else? I like the switching better. We don't have this anymore. This and a whole bunch of this, but we do have the same exact voltage regulator, it looks like. We'll see. I'll take and load test one of these puppies. That's too bad I can't put 25 volt caps in them anymore. And as long as I keep variable volts down to 15.5 max, as long as I don't exceed the 16 volts, be fine. Not like they used to be. All three of these transformers are identical. So, I mean, the 40s are like that. Let's see, I got a 40 in here too. Here's a 40. I don't know if I'm still recording or not. But here's a 40. Let me move this one out of the equation. 30, 40. What do you see? YSD 12400, YSD 12400. Exact. Everything here is exactly the same, right down to diodes, resistors, everything. So, yeah, as you can see, there's a green cap there, there's a green cap right beside here, but what you'd see is you see a bigger transformer here. You see one less ferrite here in the windings. I don't know why they didn't just do two like that, you know. They did put a little tiny heat sink in here for the 40s, but you know what? Yeah, I don't see much difference in them, but I guess it could be 40 amps if they are. This one I have modified for the fan to come on all the time. I just put them two wires together because it had that the heat sensor with the little plastic on it. Maybe it comes on, maybe it will, maybe it won't. But yeah, so looks like the 40s look identical to the 30s in every way. except for this transformer. It is bigger. And they put a couple little heat sinks on here. This is 40 amp to 41 amps. Look just like this. So basically they're using the same board. 33, 40, 30. Oh, and the 40 amps, they are using the bigger transistors right here also. But they're all utilizing the same in the back. But yeah, so alright. I got to take this box here, take all this crap here, and I'm just raking it in the box. I ain't picking nothing out of it. And let's get it out of the way. Wires and all. I got to straighten up in here a little bit. I can throw this kind of stuff away now. I don't need it anymore since it's done. But yeah, now these are the old style 30s right here. What we used to get. I've taken these and these out, but they were big. I just stripped them. Both of these were blown. I put new ones in it. Didn't come back to life. These had 25 volt caps in them, which I took out, put it back in Joe's. But here's the heat sinks that were on, used to be on the 30s. But look, this 30 amp transformer is the same size as that 40. Hell, it might be a little bigger. And it looks like it might be a little bigger, although the windings look the same. But I can tell you this. The windings could be the same size in this one too. They just made a smaller size there. But yeah, these are really, really nice 30s. I broke down my 270 amp power supply. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. I got 7 of them left. They got tape all over them where I taped them down when I did the supply, bench supply, so ain't got to ship it or anything. Just like my 540 here, they're all taped down. Don't care who likes it. But yeah, these 30 amps are superior to these 40 amps. Superior. I don't know if you can see this one. I'm not it being way over here. I can't see what shows on the video. Oh yeah, you can see it. Okay. Cool. Alright, I'm going to say 73, so y'all take care. I just had to bust open this one, the new style, because when I seen these 3 caps through the front, I said, oh hell, they changed. And yeah, basically the same thing, but I'm glad to see they go to 15 volts, so I don't have to take this out, change this one to change that resistor to get the volts to go up. And but I do like changing these out to 25 volt caps anyway. But yeah, it is what it is. That's what I got. Now, next time I get them, might be like that. Who knows? All I know is they came in a nice brown box. And they finally put something on them so they wouldn't get crushed. These just come in a white box and they just throw them in there. But that's what they do. So, alright. 73s, y'all. I got to get to work. I got to clean up. And I got a few things to build. Catch y'all later. 73s. Y'all be safe. I'm gone.